This is 17210. This is presidential suite. They have plenty of space in here. Toilet. Here are your sinks. You get one on this side, one on this side. This is a very spatial area. Nice flooring, huge shower. Y'all, look at this. They get conditioner. Wow. And the presidential, look at that. Plenty of space for storage. The bed, nice. Very nice room. Very, very nice room. You even get like seats back here, and this is a desk, just like ours. They actually got like a little breakfast nook, a whole counter and everything, couch, plenty of towel animals to go. So they got 2 TV rooms in the presidential as well. And then this balcony space is crazy. Look at this, y'all. Just amazing. What a great view. It's a quick tour of the presidential.